So this is Article 8 of the Constitution, removal of officers. And in this article, it just describes the process of removal from tribal council. There are two very short sections in this Constitution. And I think from the community input, they were asking for more specified process or a definition page explaining like what a dishonest, involving dishonesty, like what that kind of means. So an example of what this can look like, removal from office, may be something like this. The members of the executive branch, council, attorney general, and chief of police shall be subject to removal from office for willful neglect of duty, corruption in office, habitual drunkenness, incompetence, or any conviction of a felony or crime under the laws of the Oglala Lakota Nation. So you can see there how it specifies more of the positions and it includes more of that, because in our current constitution it's not specified. So that specifies who those people are. Another example, except as otherwise provided in this Constitution, all other appointed officials shall be subject to removal for cause, as prescribed by law. Section 3 could look something like, no official may be removed under Section 1 or 2 of this article except after trial before the respected district council, with the accused having been afforded due process and opportunity to be heard. And then provided removal under sections 1 or 2 of this article shall require a 2/3 vote of the members of the district council. And then section 4 goes in, maybe an example could be a separate from the council removal powers, the people of the Oglala Nation reserve unto themselves the exclusive powers to recall any elected official through petition or recall referendum. And it just goes into describing a petition must be signed by the Oglala Lakota citizens registered to vote. In this case, of president or vice president, signatures must total a number equaling or exceeding 15% of the total number of registered voters in a previous general election. So that's just an example of so Article 7, removal of officers, and what that can kind of look like. Because presently it's not specified, and it's this kind of explains and provides more detail for our community members, that giving them more information on how this process can look like. So with that, that was Article 8. We'll be moving on to Article 9.